Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage maps in Roborock S8. To do this, we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, move to Manage Maps. Inside we can enable or disable map saving. Keep in mind that disabling it will also remove all of the maps that you saved. Then we can see all of our maps on the bottom. We can click on Delete on individual maps to remove them, or click on Save to save them in save room, shape and position. Accuracy may be reduced in a manually saved map. Automatic saving is recommended. We can save it like that and save as a new map. My house, it has multiple stories. If you want, you can activate or deactivate that. In this case, we're gonna cancel it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.